The Place Block tool. This tool is used to place a block or a rectangular shape. To get to this tool, you go up to the drawing ribbon, and under the placement options, in this first row, second icon down, it's your polygon tools. If you select the down arrow, you can select that first item that says Place Block. The Place Block tool has a couple different methods. You can place a block orthogonal or rotated. We're going to leave it set to orthogonal for now. And then you have some other fill types down here for either a solid or a hole. We're just going to leave it set to solid. Here you have a couple different fill types. You have none, opaque, and outlined. For this first example, I'm going to set it to opaque. Of course, you have it set to none. There's going to be no fill inside the block. So now you have this option for a fill color. I'm just going to leave it set to white for now. So now to create the block, you just have to enter a first point. So I'm going to left click out on my screen to create the first point. And of course, when you drag your mouse out there, you can see it's creating that block. To drop it off, just left click again, and you've created your block. You can see I have a fill color of white in there. I'm going to do an undo. And I'm going to change my fill type from opaque to outlined. And what this does, the fill color is going to be whatever you have set here. But the outline of the color is going to be whatever your active color is set to. So my active color is set to 0 right now, which is white. I'm just going to change that to something else. Maybe I'll change it to red. So now when I go out here and place the block, same steps. Left click to start your block. Left click to end it. And you have your outline block. I'm going to do one more undo, and I'm going to change my method from orthogonal to rotated. Now when I go out to my screen, it's going to ask me to enter my first base point. So I'm going to left click to enter my first base point. Now you can see you're getting a line. It's going to ask for my second base point. So I'm going to left click for my second base point. And now when I drag my block out, of course, you can see it draws it rotated along that baseline. Left click to drop it off, and you're done.